Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official trailer for Thalaivi starring Kangana Ranaut and Arvind Swamy in the leading roles. This is directed by A.L. Vijay and this releases on 23rd of April 2021. So this is actually based on the life of the very famous politician and an actress by the name J. Jayalalitha who served 6 times as the chief minister for Tamil Nadu. So we know that I have seen her and I know that she was very fierce, but what was the backstory? How did she become the chief minister from an actress? So we are going to see Kangana Ranaut bring her to life in this particular film. Let's react to this and then I'm saving my thoughts for the later because I have a lot to say about the film and many people involved in it. So let's react to that. Let's see what this trailer has to offer us in 3, 2, 1 and go.
जया,
वो फिल्म वाली हमें बताएगी कि राजनीति कैसे की जाती है।
ये मर्दों की दुनिया है और हम एक औरत को आगे करके खड़े हैं।
उन्होंने जया को ही उनकी उत्तराधिकारी मानकर स्वीकार किया है।
मास्टर रेडी? क्लैपिंग, स्टार्ट कैमरा।
चली चली हाँ चली एक नई हवा हूँ मैं, कभी नहीं देखी
सत्यम
जो
शिवम शिवम।
नई दिशा हूँ मैं, ख्वाब के साथिया दिल तुझे।
जब आप मुझे गले लगाते हैं तो किसके बारे में सोचते हैं?
मैं तुम्हारा क्या लगता हूँ?
कभी तुम्हें माँ की तरह गले लगाया, कभी तुमने गुरु की तरह सीख दी और कभी तुम्हें दिल में बसाकर भगवान की तरह पूजा।
ऐसा क्या जरूरी काम चल रहा था?
एमजीआर मुझे बता रहे थे कि मेदू वड़ा में होल अंगूठे से ज्यादा अच्छा पड़ता है, उंगली नहीं करते।
अम्मू, मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन कर लो। अगर तुम जनता को प्यार दोगी तो वो भी प्यार देंगे।
साला पंख फैलाओगी ना तो मुंह के बल गिरोगी।
अभी तो सिर्फ पंख फैलाए हैं, उड़ान भरना भी बाकी है। Madam Prime Minister, if you give an ounce to Tamil Nadu, it will give you back a pound.
I didn't know South Indians can speak such good English.
I also didn't know North Indians can understand such good English.
Good one.
आज तूने जिस तरह भरी सभा में मेरा अपमान किया है, वैसा ही चीरहरण कौरवों ने द्रौपदी का किया था। वो सत्ता की लड़ाई भी वो जीती थी और ये सत्ता की लड़ाई भी मैं जीतूंगी।
Wow.
क्योंकि महाभारत का दूसरा नाम है जया।
आपकी जीत हर औरत की जीत होगी।
ये लड़ाई लोगों के लिए है, अपने स्वाभिमान के लिए है। इस लड़ाई में हम गिर सकते हैं, जख्मी हो सकते हैं, मगर अब पीछे नहीं हट सकते। एक बात याद रखना, अगर मुझे माँ समझोगे तुम्हें मेरे दिल में जगह मिलेगी, और अगर मुझे सिर्फ एक औरत समझोगे तो तुम्हें
That looked really good. I won't lie to you. So, okay, I have to talk about this because I think it's very important to address. I know that for the past few months, Kangna has been spewing a lot of hate against Bollywood and keeping all the controversies aside and all the controversial tweets she posts every now and then aside, we have to agree that Kangna is a powerhouse of talent. She is a very talented actress. But I'm not going to compare her with anybody else. She has her own place and own authority. And whenever she gets into the skin of any character, she does 100%, more than 100% justice to that. We can see that how much effort and dedication she has put in this particular movie to just portray the mannerisms, the accent, and everything that was Jayalalitha. So I don't know her personally. I have just seen her a couple of times on news, but I can see that, you know, she's not perfect, but she has that intensity and authority that a powerful character like Jayalalitha has had, you know. And it's very important for an actress to be of that stature to portray this powerful character. And I believe that Kangna is a really, really awesome choice for this role. From the beginning to the end, I felt that she was Jayalalitha. There was a point where I didn't feel anything. There were really good, powerful scenes there. I didn't know that had happened. That is really shameful. That particular scene at the court, oh my god, I can't even believe that actually happened to her, and that is really disgusting to see. And then after that monologue where she talks about how Draupadi was assaulted, and this is actually so similar to that. Oh my god, that is really, really heartbreaking and scary at the same time. So yes, very powerful, very powerful. The whole trailer was really powerful. I really liked the beginning and the end, and it really kept me glued to the screens. I am looking forward to this film now, and the whole trailer looks awesome. The cast looks awesome. Arvind Swamy looked great in the role he was put in. I think I have seen him before. I don't remember, but let me know down in the comment section the work he has done. I'm not familiar with his work, so I want to see him, act in more roles. I want to know more of his, acting background so that I can actually talk about it. But he looked apt for the role, and there were some vintage scenes with her portraying the character of Jayalalitha when she was an actress. And we want to know how, it was very abruptly showed that suddenly she decided to go into politics, but there must be a reason. And we can see that she did so much good for the people, for the normal people, for the local people, for the poor people, who were suffering. And we could see the dedication and passion and love she had. So that was awesome to see. Overall, this trailer was really amazingly edited, and cinematography, the costume, the makeup looked good, really good, except for the end part where she was a little bloated, where she actually portrayed Jayalalitha in her later years. The makeup looked a little bit, over the top, but towards the beginning, she was looking fab, and she did a great job. Her dialogue delivery and her facial expressions are just on the point. So guys, that was my thoughts about this particular trailer and reaction. I don't agree with whatever Kangna Ranaut says on the tweets. I really hate those tweets, I'm telling you. But as an actress, I know that she's fabulous and she's going to rock this movie. So yes, that is my honest opinion and review about this particular trailer. If you guys enjoyed it, then please put a thumbs up, comment on me your thoughts and suggestions. Let me know what you thought about this trailer, what you thought about my reaction, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach the 20,000 subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. Ciao.